All right, welcome in everybody. Sorry to go early so quickly, but Big Daddy's got a doctor's appointment, an acupuncturist today. I don't know what y'all thinking, Bobby. What are you doing? Hey, my insurance is approved. I will go, right? $30 copay, baby. Let's see what happens. So I have no idea what to expect, but we'll see. All right, what happened? What's wrong with the market, y'all? We were down 2%, now we're only down 1%. What's the problem? Something coming out? Y'all been waiting on CPI numbers and all that garbage? I don't even know what the number is. I don't even care. I don't give a rat's arse what some number is. All I know is my milk is high and I can't afford eggs. All right. That's all Big Daddy needs to know. I don't need to know nothing else. So AD is an anemic negative 285. We're down 1%. We were down 2%. The volume is off the charts. And look at this, though. We're above the opening range. And look, we're hovering around VWAP. What's the problem? I don't see a problem here. All right, so let's go and do what we do best. Well, let's look at our, what do you call? Hey, you put on your first 111 trade last week? You may be up on it. Have you checked? Are you up, down, big, up, down, around? Don't panic, right? Nobody panics. First rule of trader nerds, nobody panic. All right, so we are overbought for the fair value zone below us, y'all. Now, that would mean that we're likely to come down further, but y'all, look, we got 3502. I don't put so much stock in it. This is more of a binary event. I still think we're oversold for the period above us. And I may be wrong. I may be wrong. And when you look at our, what do you call, linear regression, you don't see any problem, y'all. Our linear regression, though, went from flat to it's getting back to where it should have been. Because remember, old sweet Bobby back in here said, hey, baby, we're in a recession. Y'all remember that? Nobody believed me because the market went straight up. And I said, y'all, we're in a recession. You as the government agencies and the administration, the president, he can do all he wants to say it's not a recession. And they can say, well, I know we've always said a recession is 2 declining quarters of, GDP, but we're not going to do that anymore. We're going to change the definition. And you can change it, but if it quacks like a duck, and if it looks like a duck and walks like a duck, it is a duck. And we are in a recession. And Big Daddy is going to watch Lyle Lyle Crocodile with the kids today. And what is Big Daddy going to do? Am I going to pay $20 for some goobers at the movie theater? Oh, heck to the no. Big Daddy is going to go to Dollar General, and I'm going to lace my body with Milk Duds and Sweet Tarts. And I'm going to go into the movie theater like I've got a bomb strapped to me, right, with all the candy on me. That's what we're going to do. We're going to sneak in the candy, and I'll just tell the kids, y'all can't have no Cokes, and don't forget about no popcorn. I'd rather bring in my own little portable microwave and slop in a bag of Orville Redenbacher than pay $20 for movie theater popcorn. It ain't happening, kids. Get over yourself. Be glad that Big Daddy's taking you to see Lyle Lyle Crocodile. All right, so we see what the market's doing. Let us update our position, shall we? So let's go to this one first. See how bad it is on a big move down. Take it, Bobby. Take it like a man, baby. Here you go. Come on. It's me. There's nobody else trying to get into my account. It's just me. Unbelievable. The Apple technology, when they come out with a new phone, it just stops working, doesn't it? Here we go. Bobby is 109.74.24. Ladies and gentlemen, I say that's up $83.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Let's go over here, 10-13-22. So in the Crimson account, we are at 25,888.72. Dag it, we're down just a little bit. Okay, down $93 in attitude. All right, no big to do. So what do we do now? Let's look at our Greeks and get all those in. Monitor. Okay, here we go. So this is the thing. So our deltas are 198. Good Lord, they're moving around, y'all. Look at this, 217, 220, 193. Markets are moving, y'all. Okay, 192.70. I'm just gonna get it there. 192.70. Some ratios. 192.70. So we are a little long, no big deal. See what our theta is. Theta is 198.65. That went down. How about that? 198.65. We're at 0.2 there. What is the that old evil VIX? What the crap is it at? It's at 33 still. Okay. Probably is why I'm not down further than I am. 33. You would think volatility probably come out after the event a little bit, right? After the binary event. And our buying power is 26,740. 26,740. So we're using 26% weight. All right. So everything looks good other than I'm a little long on my deltas. Weight. All right. Let's go to the other account and see how it looks. Go to the little Crimson account. Hey, little Crimson. 44. Good Lord. Stay still. I'm going to say 43.59. What things move? 43.59. Theta is, so we're a little long, if that number's right. And it says 57. That's 65.01 in theta. Boy, that's moving too. I'll say 65.01. Markets are moving, y'all. Stuff is moving. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 0.25. We're at the top max, y'all. 33. What's our buying power? Surely we're not over 40% buying power. 8034. Behave, be still my soul. 8034. 8034. So we're at 31%. We can be at 40. So two of my three metrics are out of line. Right? So that's when you start going, I don't know, man. I don't know. What should we do? So we do know, let's look at the little account first. The market is down. We know that. We know we're not going to put on new trade. Do you have any profitable trades? Well, probably not. We'll look. Let's go. Let's get it. Get it, got it, huh? Let it go. Let's look and see what we got. Well, we will have some profitable trades. We'll have some put debit spreads. Here's 11121 that looked like it was up, but it's let's see, is this one that's got no, that's 36 days on it. Let's see, negative 40 plus 40. That's a put debit spread. Naked puts 112 51st. It doesn't know if it's positive or negative. Look at this. It just don't know. 112 52nd is up 66%. Is that for real? No, come on. We got something that's up? No. Up $10, up 16%, down $20. See, it doesn't know what it wants to do. I mean, markets are moving. It's crazy. And we got to put debit spread that's down. Really? Did I put it on wrong? What did I do? No, looks like I put it on there. All right, so let's look in the little Crimson account and let's see what we got. Which one was the problem child? We had a problem child. It's the one we can't. 48 days. Which one was it? 48 days, 48 days, 48 days, 36 days, 36, 18. I thought this is the one we had the problem child in. Maybe not. All right, let's look at them. Let's go to the Analyze tab. See if we got any problem children. Put my MES in here. All right, problem children, hide simulation, single symbol. Okay, here we go. Y'all, that looks good to me. We may be down $300 today, 272 today, but look at that little nice little thing. We're doing really good. We could go down another 5% for a break even on this first expiration. I'm not scared of that. So let's go look at our groups really quick. Okay, we've not breached our stride. We're in the middle. We're at the top. We're not even in the profit team. We're not even in the profit tent. Put debit spread, oh yeah, hello, making me $20 on a little insurance. Okay, we're down on naked put, but you don't even see the strike. Down what, 12%? Oh my gosh, we're good. Let's see, 112.51. Look at that, y'all. Beautiful trade. 112.52. Beautiful trade. All right. Put debit spread, we're up $7. And unallocated should be nothing. So yeah, the thing is, if I had one that I could take off, if I had something that was up, I probably would take it off. Right? If I had a 111 type trade that was up, it's up $6, but then it's up $10. It's moving so much. So if you wanted to take something off, I'm not going to take it off at a loser, but I don't know. I feel good. I don't know. I don't think I need to do anything. Let's don't do anything in this account. Everybody with me? So if I go over here and answer my questions, do I have any profitable trade? No, I don't. I mean, I'm sucking today. Okay. Are you comfortable waiting and doing nothing? Yeah. Yeah. So it's going to tell me to wait and do nothing. I'm fine. Now, if I said no, what would it tell me to do? It would say close your smallest loser or your largest winner if you'd had a winner, right? So, but I'm fine. Not going to do anything. Nothing to do here. Uh-oh. Nothing to do. All right, let's go to the bigger account. Maybe that's where we had the problem child in. Let's go over here to this one. See what we got going on. All right, so go back over here to my decision trade. Decisions. Market's down. We're not going to put on a new trade because our stuff is out of line. Did I do the creation ratios over here yet? Yeah. So we're good here. We're a little long. Buying power's fine. Nothing to see here. So we'll go back to our decisions. Market's down. Do I close the trade? Do I have any profitable trades? Well, let's see. And remember, it's talking about 111 type trades, not put debit spreads and stuff like that. So naked puts down. That's down. That's down. That's down. That's down. That's down. That's down. Hey, put debit spread. Hey, okay, that's down. That's down. Here's one that's up a bit. If I was uncomfortable with something, there's a put debit spread down 82%. Okay. So let's evaluate our trades very quickly. See if we got any problem children. Analyze tab. Remember, hide simulations. Let's look at the groups, y'all. Second, 2 naked puts. I don't even see the strike down here. 12% down out of the market. That is a beautiful trade. 111.26. Okay. We're down toward the lower part, but we've not breached our strike yet. 111.30. Not even in the 10. 111.29. Barely in the 10. 111.31. Not even in the profit 10. 112.25. We're in the profit 10, but we've not breached our strike. 112.54. In the profit 10, nothing to do there. Put debit spread. Well, hello. Insurance. 111.27. Beautiful trade. 112.56. Not even in the profit hump. 112.57. Not even in the profit hump. 111.28. Not, well, we're in the profit hump a little bit. Huh? Beautiful trade. Go over here, put the spread trade. Well, hello, ladies. Insurance working like insurance should. 112.20. Heavens, we breached the strike, y'all. We have breached the strike. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Well, you know what I should do? I should put him in timeout. I breached my strike. My strike is 111.21. Let's go check him out. 111.21. Now, here's the thing. I could close it, right? We're down $100. Wang. Big stinking deal. Wang. I could close him if I can put him in timeout for 8 days. So this is a 111. All right, here's what I think I'm going to do. All right, y'all check me on this and see if I'm okay. I'm going to close my 3 nakeds. All right, so let's put him in timeout, shall we? I'm going to close my 3 nakeds. Let's go back here and find it. We'll close these, 3560, and we'll create closing order. Buying back. Okay, at 66.25. Okay, he's gone. I got no problems anymore. I hope everybody sees that. I got no problems anymore. But we got to go put him in timeout. Let's do that quickly because I got to go to my doctor's appointment at 12. That's when I got to be there, and it'll take me about an hour to get there. So I got to go fast. All right, we got a little thing here what we call problem children. Okay, so we got to put him in timeout. So let's do this. Let's copy this. No, here, let's do this. Yeah, that's better. We'll copy. And then I'm going to go right here. And I'm going to go insert, copied sales. There we go. Then we're going to make this ungreen so that we'll know that that's our current problem child that we got to work on. All right, and the problem child, his name is 11121st. Okay. Y'all gonna love, I think y'all gonna love how I do this. 11121st. Okay. My initial trade brought in a credit of, let's go find it. Initial trade 11121st brought in a credit of 11121st brought in a credit of 155.52. Now, do you see how we don't panic, y'all? Do you see how we don't panic? 155.52. Let's go back to problem children. Initial credit brought in a credit of 155.52. All right. I closed the naked put. Okay. I closed the naked puts for a debit of $998.16. Everybody follow me? $998.16. Okay. Now, then I'm gonna sell more naked puts, but we're not doing that yet. I'm gonna clean everything out here. So we brought in here's what we did. We brought in a credit. We did that. Okay, so we're going to sell some more stuff. Now, we expect to get a credit on this put debit spread that we've got remaining. So let's go find him out. What do we expect to make on our put debit spread? Let's go find him. Analyze. And 11121st. Shut up! All right, we anticipate, y'all, unless we go up 5, whatever, you and I anticipate making a profit of $600 on this trade. So let's use the 588 number after we close this with commissions and everything. So we're going to make about, let's say 585. Everybody see that on the remaining put debit spread? So we're going to make 585 on that. So we expect to make a credit of 585 on that trade. All right, everybody's with me. The anticipated close of naked put 1. Okay, we hadn't done that yet. And then opening a new P. Yes, we're not doing that. So let's look at our debits and credits so far. All right. So right now, here's what we got looks like. It looks like we are positioning ourselves right now. We know we got initial credit. That's money in our account. This is money I had to pay today. And this is an expected amount. This is what we expect to get on the remaining trade. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take that trade, this debit, and now I'm going to create me a credit because I'm going to sell more naked puts. Now, I got a couple things that I could do. I can go out in time and sell 3, right? Or what I could do is I could sell 6 in the same expiry. See what that would look like. So we said these are in the 8, huh? In the 8, 8 days. So let's go trade 8 days. Bobby, could you do that? I don't know. Would I? Let's go to 8 days. So I can go out in time, or I can stay in the same expiration and convert this puppy into 112, right? So where would that be? So I sold the 36, where was I at? 35.60. What if we went out and sold something down here? Let's see, I don't know where I need to be. It'll be 50 times. I can't do it in my head. Hold on a second. I gotta do 30, 30, 70. I'm just trying, got wide stuff over here. Let's just start building here. 3. What if I sold 6 here? All right. So if I sold 6 here, how much would that bring me in? That bring me in 441.18. That ain't enough. I gotta move. You gotta move him in, huh? Gotta move 33.85. I gotta get closer to the money. I said I gotta get closer to the money. 33, it should be going up. 3,500. That's too much. So we know it ain't gonna be the 3,500. Look at these wide bid ask spreads. That's the thing. Now look at that. Be a price there. 1,078. What was it for me to close at? 998. I could go down a little bit more. Let's see. 998, 34.80, 34.60. You can get filled at the mid. 31.50 is 936. Gotta come closer. 34.60. 34.75 would be 35.25. That give me 1,048. That's too close. Yep, might be 34.65. That would get me 906. I'm getting close. If I got filled at there, right? Let's go 34.75. 34.75 at the net. May not get filled there. We understand that. 33.25 would bring in 988.68. Route it. But right. So I sold 6 puts at the 34.75. 34.75 is, oh, I'm in the wrong one. 34.75. Let's see what the delta is. 34.75. 34.75. Here we are. We're at a, ooh, I don't like that probability of being in the money. That's for darn sure. 34.75. It's 100 points down. Yeah. What if I get, if the market goes down there, then I'm going to start rolling out in time, right? But right now, I kind of feel good at 34.75. So we brought in 6. Let's do it again. We put in create duplicate order. We brought in 988.68. So let's go put that in our pipe smoke. 988.68. 988.68. So sold naked puts. What do I call this? NP. 6 NP. We'll call it 6 NP. Converted to 112. We brought in 998.68. So now, no. This got to be correct. 988.68. Here we go. 988.68. Now that looks better. So now, y'all, we've got debits of 988.16. We got credits of 17.29. When I have a little bit of time, I will go back in and figure out, hey, Ken, what I've got to close that out so that we can make this a profitable trade. So I'm comfortable rolling it out 100. I converted the 111 to a 112 in the same expiration. If that turns out to be a horrible mistake and my strikes get tested, you know what I'm going to do? I am going to what? I'm going to roll it out in time. You see how beautiful this is? All right, guys, I feel like I've gone through it real quick, and I apologize for it because Ken's got me going to the acupuncturist today, so I've got to slip my clothes on since I'm in my underwear and head that way. But does anyone have a quick question on anything? Anyone got a quick question? So the big takeaway today, we took a 1-1-1 and we converted it to a 1-1-2 in the same expiration. Let's look at the combined trade, shall we? Let's see what it looks like. So go down here, unallocated. We said we wouldn't call this PDS 6, right? Just because we got 6 of them. Not PDS 6, but what was NP 6. So let's see if we can find everything in the 8-day expiration. Let's do that. Show groups. So that should be all my trades in the one expiration. So let's do that. Analyze one expiration, single symbol, high simulations, 6, and there's the 3-3. Now let's get it. 6. There's our 6 naked puts, right? There's our naked puts. And then here's our 3-3. Beautiful. Everybody see what I did? Oh my gosh, look at that. Is that beautiful or what? Is that, I mean, I just took something where our strike was breached and I moved our strike down. And look at this beautiful trade. We hold it 9 days, we're up $1,500. We just bought time, y'all. We just bought time. Why can we do it? Because we keep our metrics in line to begin with. Now, yeah, did it take extra buying power? Yeah, it did. And are some people going to say, "Hey, this is martingale"? I don't care. I like what I do. If I get breached again, I'm not going to be as fancy. I'm going to roll them out in time. But do y'all see how I just made an ugly trade into a beautiful trade? Ladies and gentlemen, this is powerful. This is powerful. Y'all have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.